Hello friends, welcome to Girija e-tutorial. From this channel, I am going to be publishing management subjects MCQ videos. These videos will be helpful for the people who are preparing for UGC NET, SET, JRF exams, public sector undertaking exams, and also helpful for the students who are pursuing MBA, MCOM, BBA, and also helpful who are preparing for university assistant professor exams. In this video, I am going to explaining 38 HRM MCQs. Let us start. First question, human resource management means option A method which an organization collects, maintains, and reports information on people and jobs. Option B, the process of integrating the employees' needs and aspirations with organizational needs. Option C, the process of bringing people and organization together so that the goals of each are achieved. Option D, the efforts to make life worth living for workers. Here, the correct answer is option C, the process of bringing people and organization together so that the goals of each are achieved. Second question, the process of familiarizing the new employees to the organization rules and regulations is known as options placement, induction, recruitment, and selection. The correct answer is induction. An induction program is the process used within many business organizations to welcome new employees to the company and prepare them for their new role. It helps in the integration of employees into the organization. Third question, challenges faced by human resource management includes option A technological changes, workforce diversity, globalization. Option B productivity, career planning. Option C compensation management. Option D downsizing and voluntary retirement schemes. Correct answer is technological changes, workforce diversity, globalization. Fourth question, operative functions of HRM includes option A procurement, development, compensation and motivation. Option B maintenance. Option C integration and emerging trends. Option D all of these. The correct answer is all. The operative functions of HRM includes procurement, development, compensation, motivation, maintenance, integration, and emerging trends. These all are the operative functions of HRM. Planning, organizing, and controlling of procurement, development, compensation, integration of human resources to the end that objectives of individuals, organization, and society are achieved. This statement is given by whom? Option A, Story. Option B, Filippo. Option C, Vetter. Option D, F.W. Taylor. The correct answer is Filippo. Edwin B. Filippo has given this statement. Sixth question, human resource management is amalgam of options A, job analysis, recruitment and selection. Option B, social behavior and business ethics. Option C, organizational behavior, personnel management and industrial relation. Option D, employer and employee. Correct answer is option C, organizational behavior, personnel management and industrial relation. Seventh question, human resource management emphasis. Option A, development of people. Option B, punishment of people. Option C, adoption of people. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is development of people. Eighth question, basic managerial functions of HRM are option A, planning, organizing, staffing. Option B, planning, organizing, and coordinating. Option C, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling. Ninth question, training process is options A, short term, option B, medium term, option C, long term, option D, none of these. Correct answer is short term. Training is the process for providing required skills to the employee for doing the job effectively, skillfully, and qualitatively. Training of employees is not continuous, but it is periodical and given in a specified time. Question number 10. OJT stands for option A, on the job training, option B, on the job technique, option C, on the job technology, option D, off the job training. Correct answer is on the job training. On the job training is a form of training provided at the workplace. During the training, employees are familiarized with the working environment and employees also gets hands-on experience using machinery, equipment, tools and materials, etc. Next question. On the job training includes option A, coaching, option B, conference, option C, understudy, option D, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. So, on the job training includes all these methods: coaching, conference, understudy. Coaching is a training method in which a more experienced or skilled individuals provides an employee with advice and guidance intended to help develop the individual's skills, performance, and career. Conference. Whenever several people meet to discuss any particular topic or subject is known as conference. Each worker analyzes and discusses various problems related to the topic. This method enables each worker to express their respective viewpoints. Third one is understudy. It is a training method in which trainees are prepared to perform the work or fill the position of superiors. In this technique, a trainee who is likely to assume the fulfillment of duties and responsibilities of the position currently held by his or her superior is called an understudy. Next question is, in dash training, a training center is set up and actual job conditions are duplicated or simulated in it. Options are classroom, apprenticeship, internship, vestibule. Correct answer is vestibule. Vestibule training is a method in which trainees learn on the simulated equipment they will use on the job but are trained off the job. Vestibule training is necessary when it is too costly or dangerous to train employees on the job. 13th question. Dash is the process of imparting or increasing knowledge or skill of an employee to do a particular job. Options are training, development, motivation, leadership. Correct answer is training. Next question. Methods of training and development are option A, off the job, option B, on the job, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. So, methods of training and development includes both on the job and off the job. 15th question. Dash is a device or situation that replicates job demands at on the job site. Options are brainstorming, simulation, artificial intelligence, and transactional analysis. Correct option is simulation. 16th question. Management development. Option A, it is a short term in nature. Option B, it focuses on employees' current job. Option C, it is an informal activity. Option D, it aims at overall development of a manager. The correct answer is it aims at overall development of a manager. 17th question. After job training method includes vestibular training, syndicate, sensitivity training, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Means after job training includes vestibular training, syndicate and sensitivity training. 18th question. Simulation technique of off-the-job method includes option A, role playing, option B, in basket exercise, option C, case study method, option D, management game, and option E, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Means simulation technique of off-the-job method including role playing, in basket exercises, case study, and management games. 19th question. Relative worth of a job is known by option A, job design, option B, job analysis, option C, job evaluation, option D, job change. Correct answer is job evaluation. 20th question. Methods of job evaluation are option A, qualitative method, option B, quantitative method, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. Correct answer is both A and B. So, job evaluation methods include both qualitative method and quantitative method. Question number 21. Quantitative job evaluation method is option A, ranking method, option B, point rating method, option C, factor comparison method, option D, both B and C. Correct answer is both B and C. Point rating method and factor comparison method. These two methods comes under the quantitative job evaluation method. Question number 22. Qualitative job evaluation method is option A, ranking, option B, grading, option C, point rating, option D, A and B. Answer is option D, both A and B. Means ranking method and grading method both comes under the qualitative job evaluation methods. Question number 23. Process of studying and collecting information about job is known as option A, human resource planning, option B, job design, option C, job analysis, option D, job evaluation. Correct answer is job analysis. Question number 24. Job analysis results in option A, job description, option B, job specification, option C, job evaluation, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. By conducting job analysis, we can get job description, job specification, and job evaluation. Question number 25. Job description is a statement containing items like option A, job title, location, and duties. Option B, machines, tools, and equipment. Option C, materials, working conditions, and hazards. Option D, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Means in the job description statement, it includes job title, location, duties, machines, tools and equipment, materials, working conditions, and hazards. Job description contains all these things. Question number 26. Dash is a factual statement of tasks and duties involved in a job. Option A, job description. Option B, job specification. Option C, job analysis. Option D, job evaluation. Correct answer is job description. Question number 27. Job specification is a statement of option A, minimum qualification required for a job. Option B, technical job requirement. Option C, machines to be used. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, minimum qualification required for a job. Question number 28. Job analysis is helpful in dash. Option A, human resource planning, recruitment and selection. Option B, training and development. Option C, job evaluation and performance appraisal. Option D, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Means job analysis is helpful for all the activities for conducting human resource planning, recruitment and selection, training and development, job evaluation, and performance appraisal. To conduct all these activities, job analysis will be helpful for the HR manager. Question number 29. Dash arranges the job in numerical order from highest rank to lowest rank on the basis of duties and responsibilities. Options are option A, ranking method. Option B, grading method. Option C, point rating method. Option D, factor comparison method. Correct answer is ranking method. Question number 30. Dash a predetermined groups or classes are established and jobs are assigned to each classification. Option A, ranking method. Option B, grading method. Option C, point rating method. Option D, factor comparison method. Correct answer is grading method. Question number 31. Dash is the more compensable factor a job possesses, the more points are assigned to it. Option A, ranking method. Option B, grading method. Option C, point rating method. Option D, factor comparison method. Correct answer is point rating method. Question number 32. Dash few key jobs are selected and compared in terms of common factors. Option A, factor comparison method. Option B, ranking method. Option C, grading method. Option D, point rating method. Correct answer is factor comparison method. Question number 33. Dash is a systematic, periodic, and impartial rating of an employee excellence in matters pertaining to his present job and his potential for a better job. Option A, performance appraisal. Option B, compensation and motivation. Option C, training and development. Option D, performance indicator. Correct answer is performance appraisal. Question number 34. Modern methods of performance appraisal are option A, assessment center method. Option B, management by objectives. Option C, BARS, behaviorally anchored rating scale. Option D, all of these. Correct answer is all of these. Means assessment center method, management by objectives method, and behaviorally anchored rating scale. These three methods are come under the modern methods of performance appraisal. Question number 35. Dash is a performance appraisal technique in which appraisers rate critical employee behavior. The techniques are option A, MBO, option B, BARS, option C, BOS, Option D, BOSS. Correct answer is BARS, Behaviorally Anchored Rating Scale. Question number 36. The combination of peer, superior, subordinate, and self-review appraisal is known as option A 360 degrees appraisal, option B human resource accounting system, option C all-round review, option D feed forward. Correct answer is 360 degrees appraisal. Question number 37. Dash is a performance appraisal technique that involves agreement between employee and manager on goals to be achieved in a given period. Options are A. Rating scale, B. Bars, C. BOS, D. MBO. Correct answer is MBO, stands for Management by Objectives. Question number 38. Traditional method of performance appraisal include option A. Confidential reports, option B. Paid comparison method, option C. Free form or easy method, option D. All of the above. Correct answer is all of the above. Confidential reports, paid comparison method, free form or easy method. These three methods are come under the traditional methods of performance appraisal. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and share this video to all your friends and subscribe my channel.